beauties, welcome back to What Karen Loves. So today we're going to be doing an organization video and I'm going to be tackling our bathrooms. We have 3 bathrooms. 2 of them definitely really need some organization. They're a mess. Everything's everywhere, so I'm going to show you what it looks like now and then I'll show you what it looks like before. So mind you, I'm definitely very embarrassed of what it looks like right now. It's a mess. So there's a reason why I went to Dollar General and got some new things to, you know, make it look nice, make it look good and not all over the place on top and down there below the sink. So let's get started and I'll see you guys when I get done. So I know I just showed you a little show plan of what it looks like, but I think it looks so much better, so much organization, and this up here looks a lot clearer than it did, and that's my new favorite right there. I love sweet pie anyways. That's got some Q-tips in it because I hate going all the way down here to get some Q-tips every time I need some. And then my favorite soap and lotion right now, and that has my skincare brush essentials, 2 of them anyways, and then essentials that I use every day, and then pads, essentials for the skincare brush, some stuff I usually use but I just put it down here, makes it a little bit more better not to put it up here. And then of course it has all the stuff that like medical and more Q-tips and some toilet paper and all that stuff. I think it looks so much better than I did. So yeah, score. Anyways, see you in the next bathroom. Bye. So I know I just showed you the pinpoint like I did a minute ago, the other bathroom, but this is the second bathroom. This is Ather, and this is what it looks like inside underneath the sink, obviously. This just has extra stuff like pads and extra stuff you don't use, and then this has extra pads, soap, and then some cleaner, and then I put my hair dryer and stuff like that in that one. I thought it looked kind of neat like that way. And an extra cleaner for the toilet and extra Q-tips, hair stuff, mouthwash, and then up here obviously like the other bathroom we got Q-tips, and of course I got some skincare stuff, hand wash and some lotion and this cute little thing. This has nothing in it but I thought it was cute anyways. So yeah, I think it turned out really good for what it used to look like. So yeah, I think it turned out really great. hope you guys liked it. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back. I hope you guys enjoyed my organization of my bathrooms. I thought they turned out really great. I think they look a lot better. I love the most of the stuff that I picked up today, like that blue thing I showed you. It kind of reminds me of like a lantern, but not a lantern, if you know what I mean. And I really like the way it looked. It kind of reminds me of like a summer type of spring vibe, the color and all that. So that's the reason why I kind of picked it up. So I hope you guys liked it. I thought it turned out great, you know, looks pretty good. So I have a lot of other organization videos coming soon, so stay tuned. Plan on doing this video, this room right here that I'm in, which is my recording room, and of course there's some closets and other areas that need to be clean, like our pantry. So stay tuned for all that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you haven't already, go check out all the stuff down below as always. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. And of course, check out the latest video here, and of course subscribe. Check out the eye for the main channel, and comment down below what you'd like to see soon. And also, there should be a new blog by the time this video is up, so go check it out down below. And I'll see you guys soon. And until next time, hope you guys have a great day. Bye!